What's up, guys? So we gonna go get alignment today. Hey, it means so good. I'm gonna go see my bro Victor. He gonna give me the sauce. That's good. Victor's always busy. We got the car on the rack. Victor's gonna try to help me find out what's going on with the whole speedo thing. And this place is always packed. Look at all these cars. You got this. This is beautiful right here. Wow. But yeah, let's see what's going on.
What you expect? Told you I wanted, I got it for less. Be talking, I came to collect. Never forgiven, I never forget. Shaking my hand, but they feeling the threat. Take the advance, but I'll take the percent. Locked in the lab and you see the effects. They post on my stories and get some respect. What you expect? Everything about a check. See me take up on the jet. All your dreams I project. I was broken, left. Now they that I'm blessed. Like I ain't worked through the shit.
Alright, well, we're dialed in. I guess I did a great job installing the kit from what Vic was telling me. 8+. But yeah, everything worked out fine. We actually didn't need to change anything at all. He just needed to adjust the camber and the toe a little bit. Caster was perfect to what I had set it up as. Yeah, we're just gonna play with this and kind of see what we like more. If I want to change it again later. Woo!
Legendary in the flesh, everything to excess, doing more, nothing less.
As well, we're all dialed in. Suspension is perfect now. Alignment is perfect. I am so stoked on how this came out. Thanks again, Vic. All because of you, brother. Thank you always for hooking me up, taking the time to just explain everything, hang out with me. Guys, if you want the true experience, learn, know how everything is done, you know, just the quality of the experience, Best Tire Shop is the place to go. I always say it. And please, if you go, let them know Trigger told you to go there. Be awesome. Just be awesome, guys. Anyways, let's get driving home. So stoked on this. Nice. This is so nice. Feels so feel wiggly any kind of way.
But I can't face no debt. Well, got 2 accounts with the Wells Fargo, but you know I chase my checks. Hey, oh, what you expect? Legendary in the flesh.
Well, we made it home, safe and sound. Wow, the car came out so good. This alignment perfect. Like the right alignment for a car and the right numbers and settings is like a safe combination almost. It's so perfect. I love it. Can't wait to test it, abuse it. Thanks again, Vic at Best Tire Shop. Freaking killed it, dude. I really gotta stop yanking that hydro. Every time I pull up, I leave a hydro more. Anyways, now we're gonna begin on this manifold. I already ported it. I ported all of them pretty much, just one left. Let's do that so we can post that up for sale and get to look at you while I do it. When I drove home, I did have a little bit of like rubbing issues right here. Not that bad. That whole corner snapped. Not really that bad. And then on this side, I don't know if you guys can see, but like all that tire mark. I'll probably have to shave that down a bit more in the future, but overall it looks good.